The new Pixel Magic Editor updates will blow your mind. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tech tips, app reviews, and an alarming amount of Google content. Today I'm showing you how to use Add Me on Pixel 9 Pro. But first, there are two new Magic Editor updates that you'll want to know to add to your arsenal of photo reimagination on Pixel. Seriously, you've got to see these to believe them. The first Magic Editor update is autoframe, and just as it sounds, this recomposes the shot for you. Here's how it works. Once you snap a shot, tap on your editor from the photo. Then tap on Magic Editor. Now, if you don't see autoframe option right away, no worries. You're gonna tap on the little edit wand and then tap on autoframe. Pixel will generate the newly framed image for you in a matter of seconds. That's right, it improves the composition of your shot. In fact, you're going to get a few options to choose from that you can scroll through. But I like this first one of the old Mission Santa Barbara. And here you can see that the generative AI has filled in the blanks for us. It leaves us with a more balanced image. Plus, you can tap and hold to see what those changes exactly were. So here was the before, and then here was the recomposed shot. So before and after. It's pretty incredible how it generated the building details and everything for me. To accept changes, you're gonna simply tap the check mark in the bottom right in order to save a copy. I love this. The second Magic Editor edition is Reimagine. And yes, just as it sounds, this is going to help you completely reimagine that photo. So here's a photo of LB, the corgi who I met on a wine tour in Santa Barbara. I know, can you, even with how cute he is and this pixel portrait quality? I'd think it was a dream, but I have photo proof. Anyway, to reimagine, let's once again tap on our editor and then on the Magic Editor option in the bottom left. From here, you circle, brush, or tap to select an area of the image that you'd like to change. So once you do that, you can erase the background or you can even refine the selection if needed. Or if you're ready to reimagine, you're gonna tap on Reimagine. Here, enter in a prompt of what you'd like to see. Maybe I'd like LB in a field of poppies, and I will tap the arrow. Here we've got a few options to choose from that we can swipe through. Once you find one you like, you tap on the check mark in the bottom right to select it. Then from here, we're not done because you can even zoom in and circle on a specific portion of an image with Reimagine to add something if you like. I'm gonna tap on Reimagine and ask it to add a butterfly there. And how cute is that? All of this is being done using Imagen 3. I tried this with a photo of our pup Poppy as well, and I had it add a little hummingbird to it because why not? And yes, when you tap to save this, it saves a copy, so your original photo is never harmed in the making. Can you even? But if your mind isn't blown yet, it's time to get down and dirty with Add Me on Pixel 9 Pro. Not to be dramatic, but this is going to change the way you take photos forever. Here's how it works. From your camera app, you're going to tap on Add Me. Here, Pixel will do a lot of the work for you. It's going to walk you through the steps and tell you to leave room for you and then the person or group that you want to snap a photo with. So with Add Me, you're going to snap the first photo just like you normally would. Then you simply swap with someone in the photo and you sit in on the photo. And then the AR is going to guide the new photo taker to get the right shot to ensure that it's all going to match up. The photo taker snaps the shot, and then Add Me composes the photo in a matter of seconds, i.e., it makes a photo with you in it, even though you weren't in the original shot. This is truly wild. So here's Brett, there is me, and there are we. Wowza. And so how this looks in your camera roll is that you'll have the main photo, meaning the composition of the group that is together, and then you're going to have each individual photo as well. Can you believe this? And yes, you can use Add Me with your other favorite camera editing features as well, like Best Take. And by the way, anytime you use any of these Magic Editor features or other camera features like Best Take or Add Me, you're gonna have a new AI info credit added to the image. So in that photo info section, everyone's gonna know that it was edited with Google AI. Currently, Add Me is available on the entire Pixel 9 series lineup. So now I want to hear from you. Have you used any of the new Magic Editor features, and have you used Add Me on Pixel? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for even more Pixel goodness. Thanks for watching. See you next time.